Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar. Quickly wanted to jump in and say hello. It's been extremely difficult now to edit, not so much filming. My little one, she knows when I'm at the computer, and she definitely doesn't want me at the computer. So just, you know, when she's up here, I gotta give her her time. So anyways, I quickly wanted to share something I've been experimenting with over the week, and it's called, I guess, dirtying the frame, having something in the frame in the foreground, and to me it seems like it gives the shot a little bit more depth. You know, it doesn't, you know, necessarily have to be something in particular, but, you know, focus on your subject and then just have something in the foreground. So next time you're out filming, try doing that and see what it looks like. This is Patrick LeVar. I'll catch you guys soon. Stay focused, keep filming. Peace.